to make a Father's Day craft because, as you know, here in Germany it's very close to Father's Day. So I just thought I could do a little thing special for my dad to this Father's Day. First, you will need a sheet of paper. It can be colored or blank. It's your choice. A square of colored paper or any, scissors, glue, and a pen or marker. Let's begin. Okay, so first you have to fold the paper in half this way. And now you can fold it this way into this little fold that you just made. And after, you do it again, but on the other side. Okay, now you have to turn it over so there is no lines and it's just this. And you have to fold it a bit like this. Like about a pinky bit. Okay, now you flip it over like this and fold here and also fold here. Try to keep it symmetrical. So now that you have it all together, then you grab this part, the bottom part, and fold it all the way to the top until it gets to these flaps, and you push it under. And you make sure it's flat. And make sure it's under as far as you can, but try not to rip the paper. Okay? Okay, so now you have to unfold the paper and make the sleeves. So first you take the very end of the paper and you fold it to the side so it looks like this. And you also do it on the other side. Okay, now that you've made the arms, you will fold it to make it like a little tie. See the arms and the other one? Okay. And now, if you want, you can either put a gift card inside, but I chose to put a little black paper with a note inside. This is my sister's paper that she drew for my dad. So I'm just gonna, so you just put them in. You just slide it in. And make sure the paper is the size of almost the whole thing, like this big. Okay, now we can get to the decorating. So first you'll need that little square thing that you chose to make the pocket here. So first thing is you grab your scissors and you can either outline it with a little pencil, like this basically, to make the little U kind of shape. And then cut it out. And you can shape it until it looks like a pocket. Okay, now you can grab your glue and turn it over and glue it, put the glue on the back. Make sure it's on the white part. Now, you can put it here, like on, like right in the center kind of this little part. And you can put more pockets if you want. Okay, now you make like a little line, but it's not on this little line here that's already made from the paper that you folded. You just make a line on the outer side all the way down. And then you can do it on the other side too. And then you can make some buttons inside. You can choose if you want to color them or because you don't have to. Okay, now you can color any color you want. I chose black to make it a little bit like this one. And this is our finished Father's Day shirt. I hope you like it. Bye!